All right, this is the DEERC FX9635 RC aircraft. This thing looks absolutely fantastic. Let's get it out of the box. That is some more detail on what this does. Okay, so that is your instruction manual. Make sure that you read through that. There's a lot of information in there. This is your remote control, so there is a lot on there. And I love how they list some of the stuff on there that it does. Pretty cool. And then that's your battery compartment. We'll get the screwdriver, we'll open that up and see what kind of batteries it needs. So this is the aircraft. This is absolutely crazy looking. Look at this thing. Okay. So you get 2 batteries to maximize your flight. So we'll get. Okay, so we have the nose cone that's here. So that kind of like fits on there. Place there. Get over and into place here as well. Then you got your charger and your landing gear and stuff in here. So let's get that out. So that's your charger. We'll get the batteries charging real quick. Then you got some landing gear pieces. So these simply just kind of go in like this. Good to go. Fit it like that. Okay, good to go. That's very cool. That's where your fan goes. So the air goes in there, blows out there. Very cool. And then your battery compartment is up here. The battery connects in like this. Battery. And obviously you know that that's connected and it's ready to go. So we'll put that back down in. And then we'll put that little compartment. Okay. And that's all good to go. And then your battery charger, you can hook this up to any USB charging block. And it goes in that way. And then again, like plug into your laptop, your desktop, cell phone charger, whatever you have laying around, that's USB. And then it does come with a tube of glue, because what you are doing is these rear rudder pieces, they have a kind of a slight curve to them, so you can kind of match them up to the side that you need. And then we just glue them into place. And then we are good to go for our test flight. So hang on. So we open the tube of glue. You just pop it in the end. So then we just take a little bit of glue and put it on here. And we just push this into place. I think this is the best way to get that. Okay. Let me get the other one. Put some glue on there. And then we push that into Nice. And then we just give it about 24 hours. We'll let that dry, and then we'll be good for our first test flight. Okay, so the remote, basically 3 AA batteries, like so, and then we put that lid back in, cover rather, and a screw. Okay, we're ready to go, so let's go flying. Okay, here we go.